Hi friends, so I'm going to take you today to World Market. Let's see what they have there. I love World Market. I hope we find some goodies today. All right, so right here I found some advent calendars. These are cute. I think they have like little chocolates in there. This one you can create your own, which is cute. Put whatever you want in there. More advent calendars. Okay, let's check this tree out. It's a cute tree. See their ornaments. I love ornaments. That one was cute. It's just like a snowball. I love this one. I actually bought this one, hot cocoa. Cute. It's cute to put in your cocoa bar. More ornaments. He's cute with the candy cane. Oh, she's cute too. Oh, I like that bell. That caught my eye. She's cute. I like her too. Let's see what else. Merry Christmas. Okay, this is really cute. It's like a little bag and you have like the seeds in there and you grow your own tree. You know, you could put it anywhere you want in your backyard and you watch it grow every year. I think it's just so special, you know, to do it with your kids, with your family. It's your own little special Christmas tree. I bought that. I'm going to do it with my kids. All right, this is a cute sign. Merry Christmas. More signs. It's a cute angel. Okay, I really love these like Scandinavian Christmas stuff. I would like to do that one year, but I'm going to show you everything they have. It's too cute. Look how pretty. This is so pretty. I love it. Look how pretty that tree is. The detail. I love it. I wanted to do something like that this year. Look how pretty these are. They light up. So cute. So they have two types. I love them both. Look how beautiful this is, guys. So pretty. It's pretty big. And then he's like going down, you know, a ski slope. That is really pretty. And then they have an advent calendar. I would love to just do this one year. Thinking of doing it. All right. And then they have all the ornaments. It's like simple but so pretty. These ornaments are pretty too. More ornaments. Oh no, actually those are lights, string lights. Those are pretty. Such a natural feel. And then these are string lights too, but they look like you know when you like do the snowflakes, the paper snowflakes? All right, this is the kitchen section, which is really cute. All right, gingerbread house kit. It's actually the whole house. You don't even have to do it. You just decorate it. Those are nice rolling pins. I guess you make your own family cookbook. More goodies. Oh, I think this is so cute. It's a cookie press. Very pretty. You can even use those for ornaments, I think. All right, cookie book, Betty Crock. I was thinking of getting this. I love cookies. So cute. It's even a nice gift to give someone that loves to bake. Look how cute this is. That's gingerbread, like a cake. All right. I used to love these, the rosettes, right? That's what they're called. This lady that used to live upstairs used to make them, and I love them. I want to make them this year. It's a cute gingerbread bun cake, mixing bowls. I mean, they have really cute things. Then they have cookie cutters, all different, you know, flavors. It's good for gifts too. All right, this is a cute cookie jar. Look at this big gingerbread man kit. That is so cute. It'd be fun to decorate. More gingerbread. That Candyland was nice. All right, let me show you this section because it's really cute with the gnomes. Let's start with right? This is like a gnome. Really cute. That was actually a cup, and this is a cookie jar. It's really cute. The red was like really nice. And then they have doggy cookie jars. How cute that one is. These mugs are really cute. They're enamel. They have such a vintage look to it, and that they're hand painted. Look how pretty. Right, these are for little kids, little plates. Let's see more of these gnomes. These are cute. These are adorable too, right? I love going to World Market. You find like unique stuff. All right, let's just check out the mugs. I'll show you really quick what kind of mugs they have. Santa, of course. He's really cute. That's a little Santa. Little size. I like this lumberjill. and lumberjack. That is so cute. I was thinking of buying those. This is a really pretty mug. The shape. That one's cute. Look how pretty that is, right? It's like Scandinavian style, right? What do you guys think? These mugs. Look how cute these guys are. 3 different styles. Look how cute that little boot is. Merry Christmas. This is a cup. I thought it was a cookie jar. The lid. Alright, let's look at the kitchen towels, because they always have unique stuff. That's what I want to show you guys. Alright, candy cane wishes, mistletoe kisses. That's cute. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Look how pretty this one is. I can't paint it. I'm loving that. Santa, the red car. That deer is pretty too. Alright, I'm going to show you really quick. I can't go through all the ornaments, but I'll show you a little bit so you can get an idea what they have. They're really pretty. Look how pretty that one is. I like that because it's like knitted. I was thinking of buying that because it's like homemade. I just love it. A little barn. A star. Tree. That's really pretty too. It's like yarn. It's like homemade. I just love that feel. Candy canes. Cute little stockings. Those ornaments. They have a lot of colorful ones. Very pretty. Alright, they don't have too many doormats, but I found that one. And then my eye caught these. These are really cute. They were made out of wood. Alright, and they have another doormat. Merry Everything. That was pretty cute. Merry Effin' Christmas. I wouldn't buy that, but I think it's cute. I'll show you the ornaments a little. That one's cute. I was thinking of getting that for my daughter. More of the wood, the Scandinavian. Stockings. That was really cute. I love this wooden soldier. Nutcracker. I think it's Nutcracker. Alright, that's for like a mini tree. That one's for a regular tree. They have beads. I love red beads. That's cute, the stars. Let's be Merry Garland. It's pretty. They're like all homemade looking. Merry Christmas. That one's really pretty. Then they have tree skirts. This is very like boho, right? I feel like. But that one's really pretty. Pretty too, and then they have like a white velvety. Look how cute this is. The garland goes with that boho style. So cute. I have some garland, not too much, but I'll just show you really quick. Show you what they have. That one's really pretty though. That's really cute. Alright, and then they have these. I love these. They look like when we were little in school, we used to cut the snowflakes out. I just love them. Those are really big. And then these are like silver and gold. Another star. Okay, let's look at the pillows really quick. I love this because this looks like it's knitted, homemade. Fluffy white pillow. Those are the gnomes. They're cute. Merry Christmas, y'all. Santa pillow's cute. Alright, and then bottle brush trees. But these, let me just say, these are really nice in person. So pretty and sparkly. The white, the gold. So pretty. And the green was really nice. Alright, and then they have trees, wreaths. I like the sign. That's like a glass. Frosted glass. Pretty tree with fur. A lot of cute trees and wreaths. More wreaths. I love these. These are so pretty because I'm into gold this year. And then they have the little ones, and then the kind of like medium size. They're very pretty. I love these candles. So pretty. Candy canes. They look really pretty like in person. Just caught my eye. I love these jars. So pretty. And I think they would be such perfect gifts. And they do smell really, really good. It's a candle ring. It's pretty. More dishes. And those are the napkin rings that go with those dishes. A pretty table runner. I really love these little napkins. They feel like linen. So pretty with the little red hearts. It's a nice little setting over here. I love these Santa mugs. They're enamel. So are these dishes. This is so pretty. I love those napkins and the napkin rings. Okay, these plates are so cute. The nutcrackers. These are napkin rings. So adorable, this set. Thinking of buying those. I just love them. So fun. And I love this plaid to go with it. Look how cute these little napkins. So adorable. It's my favorite. This is so cute. Gingerbread apron. The oven mitt. So cute. Kitchen towel. And this is so pretty. So pretty is this apron. I just love it. Thinking of buying this one. It's very pretty. All right, guys. Thank you for coming along to World Market. I had fun. I found some goodies. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which was your favorite. And I see you in the next video. And I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.